Have you ever wanted to become an actor? Have you ever wanted to learn those secret acting techniques that everybody seems to be talking about? If you have, well, you are in the right place. My name is Evgeny and welcome to Evgeny's Acting Studio. I'm a professional film and theater actor with 8+ years experience and more than 25 short movies with different international film festivals awards and theater plays experience, YouTube projects, and I'm also an author of my own Evgeny's Hobby YouTube channel, so welcome here. If you are an aspiring or beginning actor that wants to learn the basic, the fundamental stuff, you are absolutely welcome here to participate in our community. We'll cover so many stuff, so many basic principles of acting that will help you on your way. If you, for example, don't have right now money to buy yourself a college degree or study some course in university, this community is going to help you to at least feel what it's like to be an actor, what it's like to act, and what actually the acting consists of. If you are a professional actor with some sort of experience, maybe you have 2-3 years after your college degree, well, I guess you will find here so many different unique techniques that I will teach you that you won't find anywhere else. And if you are an absolutely professional, well, I don't know, 10-15 years experience, anyway, you will be able to find something here too, and maybe you could share your own vision and your own experience with us, with this community. It will be so great. If you want to start something new, if you want to open a new chapter in your life, for example, if you want to open your own YouTube channel and you want to know how to speak confidently on the camera, or how to perform confidently on stage, how to work with your voice, and all these different aspects of acting we will cover here in our courses in this community, Evgeny's Acting Studio. I'm sure that we'll be able to build something really beautiful. You know, I have been thinking about this. It was like sort of a dream of mine to build something like this, where we could all share our own experience and teach ourselves and share everything we know about life, about acting, because in this Evgeny's Acting Studio, I want to teach you one very interesting thing that very few people talk about. The point is that the majority of people, when they study acting at university, then they apply these techniques only to the films or to the short movies where they play, to the theater plays where they participate, but not in real life. And it's kind of strange to me, because after knowing those fundamental stuff that you gain from this acting experience, you actually can apply these absolutely fantastic techniques to your real life situation. And in this way, you can enhance your life, you can make it better. And here, I'm sure we will be able to do it, and I will be able to show you how it works. We'll cover so many different topics. We'll manage to do so many stuff. And thank you one more time for joining this group. If you still haven't, for some reason, I'm sure we'll spend a great time together. I am would be grateful if you could provide a feedback. If you want some specific course in the future that you want some topic covered, we'll do that. I promise you. We'll start slowly and then build up gradually. So thank you, and see you in the classroom, and let's get it on.